What happens during sleep, certain processes slow down and certain processes actually pick up. To name a few, there is definitely a conservation of energy during that time. So the metabolism goes down, the body temperature goes down, but certain very vital processes are happening. For example, consolidation of our memory. There are different kind of memories that we learn during the daytime, certain important phone numbers, account numbers, or we learn something called part of memory, like learning a bicycle, learning how to play piano. These things are being consolidated during sleep, and sleep is very important to prune those memories. So also brain gets rid of unnecessary things during our sleep. Certain waste products are eliminated during sleep. We have a system in the brain called glymphatic system, which clears certain neurotoxins during sleep. And that process is actually at its maximum pace during sleep. And if you don't have enough sleep, the accumulation of certain neurotoxins in the brain can lead to diseases like dementia. In other ways, certain reparative processes are happening during sleep. For example, certain hormones are released more during sleep. So they have a circadian rhythm. So in 24 hours, they have ebbs and flows. And certain peaks are happening only during sleep. For example, growth hormone. So it is very important that we get our nervous system some resting and some reparative process during the sleep.